In this video, I want to introduce you to an effective way to immediately get a lot more SEO traffic.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
By using a special plugin that translates your website, whatever it is, WordPress, Wix, whatever, into over 60 languages potentially. And that is billions of people who, if your site is currently only English or currently any language, if you translate into 60 additional languages, then it's billions of other people that are searching in those languages. And I'll be showing you how to set it up in just minutes. And as you know, in SEO, in English, almost all good keywords are extremely competitive. And just about every other language, every keyword in every other language is easier to rank for than in English, so your site will rank faster. And just to give you an example, so for example, if you're trying to rank for the keyword hello, obviously you're not trying to rank for the keyword hello, this is just an example, then right away what's going to happen is this plugin is going to take your website and create identical pages that are immediately translated. There's a new URL on them and they target like Spanish, hola, or French, bonjour, and many other languages. And if you're wondering, can I install this on my website? Well, yeah, it's available on WordPress, Drupal, Shopify, Wix, BigCommerce, blah, 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 Joomla. You get the idea. Squarespace, Webflow. And even if you don't have used any of those, you can just use plain old JavaScript to make it work for you. Now, let me walk you through this plugin. It's called Weglot. They have a free trial, and let me show you the pricing so you understand how it works. So you can have a free version. You see, there is a free version for one language. So a language like Spanish, if you currently use English, that's 1 billion potential additional people. So it's very easy to start, and you can have a small free trial. So there is immediate benefit. If you don't want to spend any money, you can still get some benefit from this. And if you use it and if you like it, you can upgrade to additional languages. And since there's a limit on the words you can translate, what you can do is not necessarily translate your content posts, but maybe translate your product sales pages, because those typically have less words and they are more likely to bring you revenue. So your most lucrative pages are the ones that you're going to want to translate. And I'll show you how to set it up. So first of all, you can just click the sign up button to sign up, make your account, whatever it is going to be for you. It's going to send you a confirmation email to your email that you provide. You click that and you're ready to go. Now let me show you how to set it up in WordPress. And by the way, you can set it up in many additional platforms, but I'll be using WordPress. So this is my WordPress setup. What I'm basically going to go is in plugins, and then I'm going to say add new, and then I'm going to search for Weglot, just like this. And it's going to bring up options. This is the one that you want. As you can see, for me, it's already active and installed. In your case, what's going to happen is you have to click this button, install now, and then after that, it's going to say activate. After you activate, you're going to configure it, and that's what we're going to do together. So you'll find it in your installed plugins, and you go to settings. Now, when you sign up, when you create your account, you're going to get this API key. I'm going to show you how to navigate to it. When you are logged in, you see I have my website registered here. You click this pull down, and you're going to click on your website that's registered, that you sign up with, and this is your API key. You copy this, or you can actually press the copy right here. So it says copy, then you go and you put it back into your plugin. So we're going to paste that here. Original language is English, yes. And then what you want to do is choose like additional languages: Spanish, French, German, Russian. And the nice thing is you don't have to wonder how to write it exactly. You just will add languages. So in my case, I have the upgraded account, so I can enter many languages. In your case, just pick one language. So let's start with this, and we'll say save changes. And it's that easy. It says you are really done now, and your website is now multilingual, and the instructions are go to your website, and there's a language switcher on the bottom right. So I'm on my blog now. I'm going to just click any blog post. Then you see there's this language switcher. I'm going to say Spanish, and you'll see what happens. You see on the bottom, it's thinking, it's translating, and right there. And this is a permanent page now. So you'll be able to get more traffic to these keywords right away. So if I was to show you the URL for me looks exactly the same as my original blog post was, but take a look, it's got Spanish, right? So if I go French, it will actually go to the French version. See that? So now you have just more pages to rank for more keywords in more languages to get you more customers. Just make sure that the pages you're translating are pages that can be used by people who are using another language. So if somebody speaks French but they don't speak English, and maybe they want to buy coaching, well, you don't want to sell coaching because you'll have to coach them in a language they can understand. But if you are running ads, if you're selling affiliate products, if you're selling some kind of a digital product maybe, then they can buy that in any language. It doesn't matter. So for a lot of businesses, this is an easy way to immediately get more traffic by targeting SEO in other languages, which otherwise would be first extremely expensive to translate if you had to hire a person. And this, you see, just took like literally, I want to say minutes, but it actually took seconds, right? So, it's that easy, and you can immediately have more potential traffic. So again, it's weglowed.com. And in case you do keyword research in other languages and you want to translate specific words to reflect keywords you're specifically targeting, you can actually do that to your translations in the WeGlowed interface, which is what you see when you log into their website. You see you have on the left side, you have options to manage your translations, and you can manually edit them. Try the free trial, try the free version, and see if it's working for you. If it is, consider upgrading. If you think it's going to make financial sense for you, meaning you'll make more money from all the other traffic that will come from your SEO, then the cost of the plugin. Just keep in mind that the traffic from SEO, you know how SEO is, your other language pages will not rank overnight. They'll take a little time to rank, but they will rank, and you just have to be a little patient. How long? I don't know, because it depends on your pages, it depends on the authority of your site, and it depends on how competitive your niche is. But this plugin does give you that ability and potential.